Cody here. Second day of vlogging. I've recently put up some new videos. Video of the song I made on a web program, like a website actually, and it's pretty good. It's really fun to just play with, get addicted to it. And just started Christmas break. My school gets out on Thursdays and don't have school for another 2 weeks. No school on Fridays. So, how y'all doing? Doing good? You look good. I see that. What are you eating? It looks good. Kind of like. So learned today that last night I learned that I'm getting Far Cry 3 from my awesome uncle. So yeah, you see this, Josh? Thanks. That's gonna be awesome. Okay. And what you guys might not know is remember this little guy named George W. Bush? Yeah, George Bush, ex-president. He's been in the hospital for the past month. If you didn't know that, yeah, of bronchitis related coughs. So it just goes to show, president, you're gonna cough. If I went to the hospital, because I'm sick right now, can't hear it in my voice. My voice is really hoarse. Not like horse that you ride, but horse as in. Oh, did you see that shit? I fucking got smacked by a tree. You didn't like my joke? Screw you, tree. So, what the hell? That bird did not like that car. My neon trash cans are gone. So yeah, if you go to a hospital for a month because of a cough, that must be really bad, bro. Really bad. Offered by blah blah blah. Do not disturb the occupants. It's like, hey, you want this house? Don't fucking talk to us. What the hell? So, Far Cry 3, it's gonna be good. George W. Bush cough. Hospitalized for a month. He should be getting out. He's still in there now, in Houston. So that'll be fun. I'm looking through your window. I can see you. So yeah, that was real cool. I will upload a video maybe of gaming for the Far Cry 3. See if I'm better than everyone else. No, I'm not. But check out my other videos. Kind of cool. Going to up in the mountains for the winter break in a couple days. The Sierra Mountains, in a town called Loyalton. And it's gonna be snowy. I just bought some shoes, or boots yesterday for the weather. So that's good. That's good. It was really freaking sunny out. I didn't even see what was going on just then. I don't even know. USP. Okay. I said USB because that's what he had in his car. You ever just walk by these fire hydrants and see that they're all rusty and you're like, I don't want that water sprayed on my house if there's a fire. Just the neighbors have a tap, just get the hose. That's what I would do. So I hope everybody has a good Christmas break. I'll try to upload videos over the Christmas break, the daily, weekly vlog crap I'm doing. And hopefully that goes well. So stay schmexy, and I bid you good morrow.